It's the booster shot that Indian telecom operators had been waiting for, which is the ability to share spectrum, critical to business. Finally, after years of wait, the telecom regulator TRAI today allowed telcos access to additional spectrum through sharing of airwaves. The guidelines recommended by TRAI allows sharing of spectrum in all bands from 800 to 2500 MHz, including voice and data, provided both telcos own spectrum in the same circle. But it won't be a cakewalk. Telcos that share spectrum will be slapped with an additional 0.5% levy on revenues. Besides, strict spectrum caps has been imposed for sharing, which could make it almost impossible for large operators to share spectrum in circles like Delhi and Mumbai. A telecom company can hold maximum of 50% spectrum assigned to all companies in a particular circle and 25% in a frequency band.
The whole issue of trading and sharing is really going to benefit the customer at the end today. So I think the combination of the two will give the flexibility to the operators to dynamically manage their footprint and their spectrum so that they can meet the demand.
The sharing guidelines, which require both telcos to own spectrum in the same circle, put a huge question mark on 3G roaming packs that were upheld by Telecom Tribunal TDSAT, because no operator has 3G spectrum across India.
Those types of incremental steps are appropriate given that this is a developing type of an issue as not as opposed to a developed, market-oriented where all of the pieces are already in place. So I think this is a good first step.
The big disappointment for industry is the regulator's decision to not allow leasing of airwaves. That would have been a huge shot in the arm for incumbents. While these are recommendations and the telecom department will take a final call on this, it does put a question mark on Reliance Industries' strategy because the new norms require Mukesh Ambani to buy pan-India spectrum in voice bands before he can share it. Sakshi Batra and Gauri Dwivedi, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.